Kitty, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas. Today is day 4, so I'm super excited about today. Today I'm going to be showing you my holiday room tour. I know I did do a decorating video where I decorated for the holidays in my room, but I did ask on Instagram, which is where I ask if I have any questions of what you want to see. So be sure to follow me over there. It is Katiexobeauty YT. I asked if you would still want to see a holiday room tour because I feel like I forgot to mention some things in the decorating video when I gave you a mini tour, and a lot of you wanted to see a full-on tour. So I'm here today to bring you that. What the people want is what the people get and stuff. My arm's actually getting very tired from holding the camera. I got my reindeer antlers on, of course, and we're ready to, you know, show you my holiday room. So yeah, I don't want to do a super long intro, so I think we're just gonna jump right into it, which I'm super excited about. Welcome to day 4. I'm really excited. I've been having so much fun filming these videos for you, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, let's just jump right into my holiday room tour. I'm excited to show you. Okay, so we're at the door right now, so I'm just gonna, you know, lead you into the room. So here's the door. It's just the starting point. And then you open up the door and this is what you see. My windows, all that kind of fun stuff. So I'm not going to go through everything because I do have like just a regular room tour like up on my channel. I will link it down below. It's kind of old and outdated. Most of it is still the same. So I'm going to give you an overview first. Okay, so starting off at the doorway, when you kind of go left, so like this way left, I guess, I don't know how to explain it, you see a stocking near the door. I just have these little nails that have been in my wall forever, so I just hang it off of one of those. I think last year I hung it off my window, but I don't have the possibility of doing that this year. This little baby stocking is from Target. I've had it for years now. Then we have the tinsel tree, which is also from Target, and you saw me put this baby together when I was decorating. And then we have this little mirror, which is from, I think, Marshall's. And then we go over to my nightstand area. I want to give you like a full view of everything, so I'm trying my hardest. These nightstands, I believe we got like at a garage type sale, so I can't really link anything, but anything that I can find and link, I will link down below. And then you get closer to my nightstand. I have my laptop sitting there with a notebook that I probably got Marshall's. The sticker is Bailey's Mission. And then I just have any essentials here. I have an ornament that I need to put a string on and hang on my tree, but it's Mischievous Kittens, that line, and I have a ton of these because I've been collecting them since I was like a little girl. Then we just have this pencil holder, which I believe is also from Marshall's, and then we have a couple Bath and Body Works candles, my favorite marshmallow fireside, and then 'Tis the Season. I really want to finish burning those this year. I've never finished burning a candle, which is crazy. And then we have my diffuser, which I believe is from Murata Beauty. That's where my other oil is from. And then we have just the thing to fill it up with. It's not really cute keeping it there, but that's what it is. Then I have this bottle brush tree, which I really like, and that is from Target as well. I really like the pinkness of it. It's just very cute. Then my lamp, I believe, is from Walmart or Target. I don't know. The base of it actually might be from Marshall's or Target, but I think the top part of it maybe is from Target or Walmart. I can't remember. I don't know if I mentioned, but the sign is from Target. And then we have my bedding, and this is kind of what my bed looks like with those 2 stuffed animals. Just kidding. You know that is Skoda and Cooper. If you've seen my videos before, you know that. And this is kind of what my bed looks like and everything. I got this bedding, I believe, in June or July. And this bedding is from Marshall's. If I can find it, I will link it down below, but I really like it's kind of more adult since I am a 23-year-old girl, or I guess woman, but I don't know. I feel weird calling myself a woman sometimes. I don't know why. And yes, we got the babies. And I believe both these blankets are from Marshall's, just because I love blankets. So yeah, the bedding is from Marshalls. This little comfy blanket, which I love, I forget what it's called, but I just love it. It's like a velvet soft blanket. It's also from Marshalls. I believe the bedding is from Marshalls, so this and this are from Marshalls. Obviously this matches my comforter, so that's from Marshalls. And then these pillows I believe are also from Marshalls. Basically anything in here is from Marshalls or Target. That's just my life. And then that is from Target. And yeah, so I love how my bed looks. And then that sign right there is from Marshalls and stuff. So that's kind of what my bed looks like and everything. So then you kind of turn over this wall. It's very blank. And then just over here, I just have the general stuff that I would normally have. So I have my chair, this one. I got this chair from my mom. She was going to get rid of it, but I was like, no, I'll use it. It's just a very comfy chair. And then I also sit on pillows when I do my makeup because it makes me a little short sitting at this chair. I don't know, it just does. And then I have a bunch of stuff on top of it, like robes, blankets, etc., etc. Then there I am. Hey! And so my lamp, I've said this many times. Again, my lamp I kind of made myself. I don't know if I'm in love with it anymore. I might want to get a different lamp, but I was in love with it at a time. And then all my makeup is here. This is my makeup storage. I have a video detailing all of this, but I just thought I would show you my desk we've had for ages. I believe it was my great grandmother's desk or my grandmother's desk. I can't remember. But yeah, I just have all this stuff here. I have a wallflower in the corner. And this part of my room isn't really Christmassy, so we're just gonna move on. But I do keep the extra candles down here if you're curious. But yeah, that's not really Christmassy. Then we have my garbage can and back over here. So of course we have my TV. Then on my TV, I put my little Christmassy giraffe. I love giraffes. They're probably my top 5 favorite animals. And his name is Stanley. This is Stanley, my giraffe. Hello. He's just kind of chilling there. I like him over there. I wasn't really sure where to put him. So as of right now, I have him there. I have a couple lotions right there. A picture of my dog, Molly. She is unfortunately not with us anymore, but she is just chilling there. I love having my picture of her. Then I have my Frosty Friends snow globe. I love snow globes. I just love shaking them and just like seeing all the, you know, snowfall magical. It's just beautiful. I love it. And then I have this Mickey Mouse Disney snow globe, which I really think is cute. I love it. I don't know where I got this one from. This one you obviously can't get anymore because it's limited edition. It's a Hallmark one. And this one I believe would probably also be a limited edition since it says 2010 on it. But I love it. I love a little touch of Disney in my room. Then I have the Twisted Peppermint Candle, which I really like. And then I also have a body splash, which is 1,000 Wishes, which I really love. And then I have this little DIY touch, which I might update this next year and do more of a grown-up one. But I think this is cute, a little countdown to Christmas. I DIY'd this in high school and I still have it. So 9 days till Christmas, and that's actually accurate because I'm uploading the same day I'm filming and editing. Yay. And then over here, this is just basically nonsense. And then the main attraction of the room. Actually, here's a mirror. So I'll show you my outfit for today. Shirts from Target and pants are from Victoria's Secret and socks are Old Navy. Okay, then the main attraction of the room, which is the Christmas tree. Love her so much. Love it, love it, love it. Now, as I said in my other video, most of my ornaments are either from Target, which is where that one's from, as well as that. Majority of them are Target. Some of them were gifts. And some of them are from Pier 1, like this one, that one. Some of them are my mischievous kittens. I have a couple Frosty Friends as well. And yeah, so it's either Pier 1 or Target, or they're like limited edition, like Frosty Friends, kittens, stuff like that. This little tree topper I used to use like a child's hat, but now I use this little baby one. It's from Bath and Body Works. And yeah, this is my tree. My tree base is from Target, like just my general tree. And yeah, I love the colored lights. It's kind of my vibe, and yeah, it's really cute. I love it, and I love my tree. Still have a couple more ornaments to add on, but it's basically finished. Sorry if that was hard to see before, but this is my Christmas tree without all that crazy lights. And then Allie got me this for Christmas. We exchanged, which you'll be seeing that vlog within the next, I want to say a couple days. So she got me season 2, so I have 2 and 4. My iPad's just chilling there. And then below this, where I have all my fuzzy socks for Christmas and just for the winter time because my feet get very cold. I have these llama ones, which are so cute. I have bear ones. I have like snowman ones, Rudolph ones. Oh my god. And then we come over here to where my bookcase spaces, and I honestly want to redo this. Like, it's very messy, honestly, but also I just want to redo it. So I might be doing that within the next, I don't know, I might be doing that in the future, like redoing it. So this sign is from Marshall's, and then I want to put a flower in this, but I don't have one. My mom gave that to me. This mug I got from Marshall's, and I have all my perfumes here. I do have a perfume collection, linking that down below. I have this cat I need to fix. I just had my random jewelry. Cooper's right there. My little tower jewelry thing is from Target, and then the elf hat is from the dollar store. I have my water bottle right here. I'll link this down below. It's my favorite water bottle. I'm going to be mentioning it in my 2018 favorites. I have a bunch of pictures just laying right there. Oh, you want to see like OG Katie? Oh my god, look at me. Look at me. Oh my goodness. I should do a video one day, like just reacting to old pictures of myself. I should, shouldn't I? And then I just had this jewelry holder. This is from Marshall's as well. Marshall's. Literally most of my stuff is from Marshall's. And then this really needs to be reorganized, but I'm just going to keep it real. I kind of want to make this into a beauty corner. I know most of my room is beauty, but like, let's face it, I'm a beauty vlogger. I vlog, like, yes, that's my life. But I don't know. I might want to get an actual nail polish holder instead of having my nail polish like that. But I'm not really going to show much of that because it's not Christmassy at all, but pretty much it. And then you get back to the door, and that's where we're at. That's like the whole room. I'll give you one more view because I'm sure you want to see it again. So yeah, that's it for my room tour. Like I said, I will have everything that's possible to link down below. I will link that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see for the 12 days of Christmas. And let me know also if you decorate your room for Christmas. Am I crazy? Like, do you not do this? Do you just decorate your house? I mean, I'm kind of Christmas obsessed, so this is what I do. And I feel like it's just fun to decorate the whole house. I mean, I don't have full reigns of the whole house just because like I live in my parents' house, but you know, someday when I have my own place, obviously I'm going to decorate it all because I'm crazy like that. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thumbs up, comment down below, show some love, and please subscribe if you haven't already because I'm posting every day up till Christmas. I might even go further than that. Let's see how everything goes, but I hope you enjoy. And yeah, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow for another day of 12 days of Christmas. Bye.
Times I wish I lived in a snow globe where the wind blows.